Hi, my name is Renee from InSEM Fertility Solutions. We are so excited that you've decided to embark on your journey towards parenthood. Today we're going to explain how to use your InSEM kit. We will break this up into 3 different stages, which will cover setting up your kit, preparing yourself and your IUI sample, and reviewing the steps for your insemination. Before we open the box, you'll require a clean flat surface that is within your reach when you are lying down. Opening the box, you'll find step-by-step instructions that outline the InSEM procedure. A vial of sperm that has been prepared by our laboratory. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're using coloured water so you can clearly see the sample. A 1 ml syringe, and 1 IUI catheter that you're going to use to introduce the sperm into the vagina. You'll no longer require the box, so this can be moved aside. Carefully inspect the kit packaging and make sure that everything is sealed. If you have any concerns, please let our team know and do not continue with your self-insemination any further. Before you prepare for your self-insemination, go to the toilet, empty your bladder, and wash and dry your hands. Now we're going to open the packaging containing the syringe and the IUI catheter. Don't remove them from the packaging and try and open the ends opposite the tip. You want to keep those ends clean and not touch them too much. Take the syringe out of the packet and draw up approximately 0.2 ml of air. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky when you're using the syringe that's new, so if it does go too far, you can release that back in and pull back on the plunger until it reaches the 0.2 ml mark. This will assist to push the sperm through the catheter during the insemination process. You can now return the syringe back into the packaging. We're now going to get the vial of sperm from the packaging, being careful to keep it upright as you remove that from the packaging. If you want to tap the vial of sperm, just to maximise the sample that is at the bottom of the tube. We're going to carefully remove the film sealing from the tube and then twist the vial of sperm to release it from the lid. Using the syringe, you should now draw up all the sperm into the syringe by putting the tip all the way to the bottom of the vial. Using one hand to hold the vial and the outside of the syringe, pull back on the plunger with your other hand. Make sure that all the sperm is in the syringe and the vial is empty. You can now place the empty vial down as it is no longer needed. Now you're going to connect the syringe to the end of the catheter. Leaving most of the catheter still in the packaging, firmly press down on the syringe to connect it to the plastic connector, making sure to have a good seal and not to push the sperm through the catheter. You are now prepared for your insemination. When you are ready to commence the insemination, remove your underwear and get into a comfortable position, laying on your back with your hips slightly raised on a pillow. Remove the catheter from the packaging. Part your labia and gently insert the catheter deep into the vagina. Slowly push down on the plunger all the way to release the sperm. Leave the catheter in place for about 15 to 20 seconds, then slowly withdraw. You may notice some residue still on the catheter. It's completely normal and nothing to be concerned about. You can remain in position for about 20 minutes. The insemination process is now complete. You can dispose of your used equipment and packaging in the general waste bin. Your pregnancy test is due within 14 to 16 days. We look forward to catching up with you to discuss the outcomes and your next steps. We wish you every success with the insemination process. If you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with us.